Hi friends, do you know which planet is very close to the sun? Do you know in this planet year ends in just 88 days? The planet where days are burning hot and nights are freezing cold. A planet that looks like our moon, but it is full of secrets. This mysterious planet is called Mercury. Mercury is smallest planet in our solar system and closest planet to the sun. In this video, we will discover how Mercury is formed, how Mercury is discovered by our scientists, what are the missions that helped us to discover Mercury planet, and what are the upcoming missions that helps us to study Mercury. So without any delay, let's dive into the present video. How Mercury looks like. Mercury looks like a grey rocky ball covered in holes made by space rocks crashing into it. It is small, only little bigger than a moon, but it races around the sun faster than any other planet in the solar system. If you lived there, you would have 4 birthdays in one Earth year. That means you can celebrate 4 birthdays in 1 year. Then who discovered this planet? Mercury was never discovered by one person. People have been watching in sky for thousands of years. In 3000 BCE, Sumerians have knew about the Mercury with the help of the continuous observation. It looked like a bright star that moves quickly and never goes far from the sun. That's how ancient civilization noticed Mercury, but they have treated Mercury as just a star. As years passed, in 1600s, telescope was invented by Galileo Galilei. In 1631, astronomer Pierre Gassendi saw something amazing: Mercury crossing directly in front of the sun. This is called a transit of Mercury, and it proved that Mercury was not just a star, it is a planet. For a long time, Mercury stayed mysterious because it is so hard to study. But as the technology improved, space missions changed everything. In 1974, first spacecraft called Mercury 10 was launched to study Mercury planet. This mission showed half of Mercury's surface and discovered that Mercury has a magnetic field. After many missions, in 2011, Messenger spacecraft orbited Mercury for 4 years. In this journey, this spacecraft mapped the whole planet. This mission found that water, ice hidden in dark places, and showed signs of old volcanoes. In 2018, Europe and Japan jointly launched a mission called BepiColombo to study the Mercury planet in detail. This mission is expected to reach Mercury in 2026 year. As of now, India's ISRO has not yet launched any mission to study Mercury, but it is expected to launch the missions to study Mercury very soon. During the daytime, Mercury gets hotter than a burning stove. Temperatures reach up to 427 degrees Celsius. but in night times it becomes colder than Antarctica. Temperatures fall to minus 173 degrees Celsius. It has almost no air, so there is no protection from the sun's deadly radiation like ozone layer in Earth. There is no liquid water, which is essential for life. Also, it takes many days to reach the Mercury. So, the scientists have not considered the Mercury planet to live in future. Then why do scientists still study this planet? It's because Mercury gives us clues about the birth of our solar system. It tells us how rocky planets like Earth formed. Its magnetic field helps us to learn how planets create magnetic fields. Technology used to map Mercury also helps us to map Earth better. By studying Mercury's harsh conditions, scientists prepare for missions to other planets. Scientists have proposed few theories about Mercury with the help of the available information. The famous theories of scientists are giant impact theory and solar heat theory. These theories were proposed by scientists to study the Mercury. According to giant impact theory, billions of years ago, a massive collision may have broken Mercury's outer layer, leaving behind its big iron core. This explains why Mercury is so heavy for its size. But according to solar heat theory, the sun's extreme heat burned the Mercury lighter materials, leaving mostly metals. As Mercury cooled, its surface became smaller. This made huge long walls and cracks that we can still see today. Long ago, volcanoes covered large parts of Mercury with lava, giving it a new surfaces. Even today, Mercury is slowly getting smaller, showing that its story is still not over. Mercury may look like just small grey rock, but it holds big secrets about the solar system. It reminds us that even the smallest planet can hide the greatest mysteries. If you like my explanation, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to Galaxora for more amazing space content. Also, mention your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.